Trump says...
Trump has nothing to do with North
Trump's
War right
our
now.
president.
I understand that, but he has nothing
You understand that, right?
Yes, but he has
Okay,
nothing
you
to do with
understand
North
that,
War.
right?
People are goofy. People are goofy. I don't care who your president is, okay? You going to jail, Trump ain't coming to get you out, dummery. Why are you so caught up on one person like they rule the world? Are you stupid or are you dumb? I guarantee you this. I bet you guys $1,000. I bet $1,000. This lady's favorite food is Mexican. I guarantee you she goes up in that restaurant. Yeah, gotta give me the Taco Tuesday. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, it's your boy Food. We are back with another banger reaction video. Guess what today is? Today is Sunday. It's Sunday. So your meeperies better be in order, okay? If they not, we need to have a serious conversation, okay? Like, I'm on 10 today. Just let's get that out the way. Let's get this. So listen, I'm on 10, okay? I'm not gonna lie. I'm doing good on my transformation. I just got to start making the videos and record everything because I just be on the go. My life is on the go, okay? So sometimes I forget to pick up the camera and record, but just know I'm working. It's Sunday, breakfast, bone broth. Then I'm gonna head to the store, give me some sausage to eat with my oatmeal. So I might tap in on a live, or I might just put it in. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I might put it in my Instagram story. It's probably what I'm gonna do. What else? I woke up on some king status today. It's Sunday. Why not? This is what I'm on. Sin of the day. King vibes. King by Dolce & Gabbana. The great thing about it is they have a queen too. So if you got your man and your woman and you want to be that matchery, king and queen, they got it. Dolce & Gabbana. I'm on my king-ish today, so that's what we on. With that being said, we about to tap into a video. Neighborhood Karen thinks she's untouchable. But first, before we get into this video, we got to check on our meeperies because it's Sunday, okay? So tap down in the comment section, 1 through 10. Let us know how you're doing, how your Sunday's going, where you at. You went to church already. You went to church now. You watching football. You woke up watching football. You cooking some wingeries. You doing tailgating. What you on? I'm working. You feel me? Like I'm working, but I'm having fun at the same time. So, how you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually? Tap down in the comment section of Sunday. I hope your spiritual are on 10. That's gonna carry you when other things are lower. Okay. With that being said, man, let's get the video to 1,000 likes, 36,000 views. 1,000 likes every video is the minimum. That's I'm requesting that from my people. Okay, get us on that. Let's go ahead and tap into what Karen got going on. And when they think they untouchable, then the popo come and the gang squad come and they touch all on your meeperies.
On May 24th, 2025, officers responded to a call of a neighbor making racist comments towards other neighbors over a parking spot.
Racist? Oh, you're a racist? Okay.
Hi, Tracy.
Hi, how are you?
First name basis,
I'm all
huh?
right. Wish I didn't have to be here to talk with you about what I'm talking with you about.
Why are you here? Because of what?
No, he over there
Because of what you
laughing.
were doing today. You can't just be
What did I
flipping people off, making them feel uncomfortable.
Because a
scared.
Mexican, stopped me?
Okay. I don't think that's what happened.
You know what? They need to go back to Mexico.
Okay, you can't be saying things like that.
You
all
one
right?
of them.
No,
Yeah, I can. No, it's not racist.
So here's the thing, Tracy.
It's
Tracy.
our president of the United States.
Tracy.
Our president of the United States, Trump.
Tracy.
No impact right here.
That's neither here nor there, okay?
What that got to do with anything? President of the United States, Trump. Did you not see?
They live over there. You live over here. All right? We're going to stay like that, but if you start touching people's cars, leaving notes on it,
Wait,
listen,
what?
just listen.
Time out. Time the out.
I've seen the notes.
Time the out. When did you see the notes?
She just showed them to me.
When?
Just now.
From when?
It's in the past. I don't know. She said it started
It's in the
3
past.
years. She said it started
It's
3
in the
years ago.
past.
The notes are.
Right.
But the behavior is continuing.
I don't give a shit.
Okay, well, you probably should, because
No.
that's why we're here.
No.
And then this could lead to
No.
criminal charges if things.
Criminal charges for
Yes.
what? Because they
We
need to
could
go
st-
back to
We
Mexico?
could start with disorderly conduct,
Disorderly conduct for
at
what?
the very least.
Well,
You're alarming and disturbing people.
starving people how?
They don't feel safe because of what
Drunkery
you're
too?
doing and saying and how you're
Right,
acting.
because they park their car on my street?
Your street is, you do not own the street.
Oh, okay, so...
You're more than welcome to park your car there so they can't.
Okay, so Trump says
Trump
Oh,
has
boy.
nothing to do with North
Trump
World
is
right
our
now.
president.
I understand that, but he has nothing
You
to...
understand that, right?
Yes, but he has
Okay,
nothing
you
to do with
understand
North
that,
People
World.
are
right?
goofy. People are goofy. I don't care who your president is, okay? You going to jail, Trump ain't coming to get you out, dummery. Why are you so caught up on one person like they rule the world? Are you stupid or are you dumb? I guarantee you this. I bet you guys $1,000. I bet $1,000. This lady's favorite food is Mexican. I guarantee you she goes up in that restaurant. Yeah, gotta give me the Taco Tuesday. I guarantee you. Then get home talking about, I can't stand them motherfuckers, but I love their foodery. She's one of them. Favorite food, but hate the people. I don't want you to have nothing from my culture. If it was up to me and you hate people, another race so bad, I don't want you to even have nothing from my culture. Especially if your favorite food, I want you to never have it again in your life. She's one of them. I promise you, $1,000. Who's gonna take that bet?
Correct?
Correct.
You understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand that?
Tracy, you've asked me that 4 times in a row, and I've said the same thing.
And I've said the same thing to you.
No, the
They
local-
park
They
there.
can do that.
They can do that. And
Yes.
they're looking at me.
It's a public street. Everyone pays the same
Diligent.
taxes.
I pay the same taxes too.
All right, then you can also park your car there. But this is
I don't park my car there.
Tracy, can we all agree that this is a little ridiculous?
No, I can't agree. I can't agree.
Can't agree.
I think what you...
Jackass
Maybe go back
is
to school.
contacting me via
That
no
doesn't-
caller ID.
I don't
right?
care. Tracy,
Yeah, you don't care
I
because
don't care about that. I'm not
I
here for
could
that.
die
I'm
and you
not
don't
here for that.
care.
I am not here for
What?
that. What
You
I
don't
think you need
care.
to do is go inside.
Tracy,
I think you need to
Go
go
inside.
Dee Dee Mao.
Tracy, I can put a front line in so that people do extra patrols in the neighborhood for that.
Thank
But
you. Thank you. I'm going to
but-
talk to him now.
That's
okay?
fine.
What
But
I
he's
need-
not on your
probably-
You
side,
are
dummy.
nothing.
Tracy,
Like my dad served in the U.S. Army,
If you want to talk to him, then
and
talk
you
to
don't
him.
deserve a flag on your casket.
Okay.
So I'm going
What?
to talk to him.
Okay. If you
Whoa.
want to talk to him,
put
then
that
do
extra
that.
patrol in here, but you
Thank
can't
you.
be yelling at your neighbors just because they're a
Yelling
certain
at who?
race. You can't be
Because
targeting them because they're a
I
certain
didn't say
race.
they were a certain race.
Well, you said they were Mexican. They had to go back to Mexico.
Well,
You said that.
They do.
No, they don't. They're citizens here.
Well-
they can stay here.
Are they citizens?
How would you know that?
How do you know that?
I can't assume that they're not citizens. If someone's here, I just
So,
assume they're citizens
maybe
until
you
I
need
have
to go
evidence of
down
it.
there and
How do I know
find
you're
out-
How do I know you're a citizen?
Because my dad served in the United States Army.
That doesn't
What if
mean
their
you're a
parents served in the United States
I'm a
Army?
citizen.
But how do I know you are compared to them?
You can't talk logic to a person that can't think logically. You dummy. There are Mexicans in the army. Hello. Are you stupid? Like, you think it's only one race that serves in the military? In all branches? You got to be the biggest goofy as all goofies. Where is your husband? You probably ain't got one. You got big bunions on your toesaries, okay? They busting out the side of those flip-flopperies. You need to go back in the house. You smell like an ashtray. From here, I can smell you. If you don't quit talking about people, I'm going to go to Skid Row, get all the needles, I'm going to come put them in your driveway. Okay? That's what I'm going to do.
Exactly.
So then, should we send you back to wherever your ancestors are?
Where am I? I'm in the United States of
So are
America.
they.
So where are they? I'm not talking to you.
They're in the United
by the
States of
way,
America.
That's
I'm
fine.
not talking to you.
She had
I
too
appreciate
much
that.
wine coolers.
Yeah, I appreciate that too.
All right.
I've never seen you.
He's sleeping anyways. Don't worry about it.
I'm gonna talk to you.
You can't.
My dad served the United States Army
We appreciate
and
his
fought for our
service.
country.
We appreciate that.
That's right.
That's
I have
to allow
Agent Orange,
certain
by the
freedoms
way,
in
you
this
little
country.
millennial.
And you can't
You're a
restrict
fucking
them.
millennial
Okay.
that
Tracy.
keeps smiling.
Tracy.
Keep smiling.
Tracy.
My dad, I have
wasn't
Agent
talking.
Orange. I have Agent Orange in my bloodstream.
Okay.
got
You weren't
what?
even born when my dad served our country.
Correct. You are
Correct.
You are more than
correct. So you got me
Are
on
you-
video?
All
All right, I'm not talking to you
right.
anymore.
You've said that a couple times.
I'm not
now.
talking to you. You're a little millennial.
You're good to go.
All right. So you're being cited for disorderly conduct. It's a must appear. Okay. So June 18th, you have to go to the Northfield Police Department and talk to them about your
Didi
behavior.
Mao. Didi Mao.
Don't know what you're saying.
I'm
Exactly.
saying Didi Mao is Vietnamese for get out.
Why are you
Okay.
talking another language
enough.
if you don't like people
June
from
18th,
another
don't mess
country?
with
Like, you sound stupid.
The woman was cited for disorderly conduct. Thanks for watching today's video. Stay tuned as we have
And I
another
want to see
video.
her go to jail, and I want to see the taser, all up in the cootery and the culo. That's Spanish for a Julio, okay? I'm done with Karen today. You get it's Sunday, baby. I'm so done with you. I'm back on my King Viberies. Different video. It's going down. We done with her.